Welcome to the home of English for English grammar and vocabulary learning. Today, let us resume our vocabulary session with more one-word substitutions. In the earlier parts, we discussed about kinds of governments, phobias, marriages, murders or killings, etc. If you have not watched, please watch in the playlist. Now, we shall learn one words denoting persons. At the end, there are two model questions. So listen carefully. Do you know who is an altruist? What is the difference between an egoist and an egotist? So all this we will discuss here. Let's start. One words denoting persons. One who is not sure about God's existence. One who is not sure about God's existence is called agnostic. Agnostic. One who is not sure about God's existence. Next is a lover of mankind. A lover of mankind is called altruist, also philanthropist. A phil means a lover. If phil is prefixed to a word, then it means a lover of something. So here philanthropist means anthrop is related to mankind. So philanthropist is a lover of mankind. Its antonym is or opposite is misanthropist. Here mis is prefixed to anthropist. That mis means a hater, one who hates mankind. That is misanthropist. Here the antonym of altruist is egoist. Egoist means selfish man. So who thinks about himself, not about others. So a lover of mankind is altruist and philanthropist. Next is one who does a thing for pleasure and not as a profession. Not as a profession but for his own pleasure. He is called an amateur, not professional. The antonym of amateur is professional. One who can use both hands with ease. One who can use both hands at ease is ambidextrous. One who can use both his hands is ambidextrous. One who is out to destroy all governments, peace and order. One who is out to destroy all governments, peace and order is called an anarchist. Anarchist. We have learned earlier that anarchy is absence of government. So an anarchist is who is out to destroy all governments, peace and order. Next is a person who has changed his faith. A person who has changed his faith is known as apostate. Apostate. A person appointed by two parties to solve a dispute or quarrel. A person appointed by two parties to solve a dispute is arbitrator or a mediator. Arbitrator. Next, one who leads an austere life. One who leads an austere life. Austere life means having no comfort or luxuries. So such a life is called an austere life, and the man who leads an austere life is called an ascetic. Ascetic. A person who does not believe in God. A person who does not believe in God is atheist. Its antonym is theist. A man who believes in God is atheist. Atheist is a person who does not believe in God. One who is unable to pay his debts. One who is unable to pay his debts is a bankrupt. Its synonym is insolvent. So bankrupt and insolvent both mean one who is unable to pay his debts. One who is filled with excessive enthusiasm in religious matters. One who is filled with excessive enthusiasm in religious matters. Very religious. That is bigot. Its synonym is fanatic. Both mean very religious. That is one who is filled with excessive enthusiasm in religious matters. Bigot or fanatic. Next is an unconventional style of living. An unconventional style of living is Bohemian. Bohemian. An unconventional style of living. Bohemian. One who is bad in spelling or bad in handwriting or both. Bad in spelling or bad in handwriting or both. That is called cacographist. Cacographist. One who feeds on human flesh. One who feeds on human flesh or one who eats human meat or flesh. That is cannibal. Cannibal. One who feeds on flesh or meat or animals is carnivorous. Carnivorous. That is one who feeds on flesh or meat or eats animals. That is carnivorous. And that on plants. That is one who feeds on plants is herbivorous. Herbivorous, carnivorous and cannibal. Cannibal is one who feeds on human flesh. A person who is blindly devoted to an idea or to aggressive patriotism. One who is aggressively patriotic or blindly devoted to an idea is chauvinist. Chauvinist. See the spelling. Chauvinist. These all words may be asked in spelling correction also. So check the spelling also. A critical judge of any art and craft. A critical judge of any art and craft is connoisseur. Its pronunciation is connoisseur. Connoisseur, but it is written connoisseur. Persons living at the same time or period. Persons living at the same time or period is contemporaries. Contemporaries. Next is one who is recovering health after an illness. One who is recovering health after an illness is convalescent. Convalescent. Next, one who regards the whole world as his country. One who regards the whole world as his country is cosmopolitan or universal. Cosmopolitan. Next, one who is center of attraction. That is cynosure. Cynosure. One who is center of attraction is called cynosure. One who sneers or contemns the beliefs of others. One who sneers or contemns the beliefs of others is called a cynic. Cynic. One who is confident or stylish and charming or elegant is called debonair. Debonair. This is Debonair. Debonair. Its synonym is suave. Suave. That is one who is confident or stylish and charming or elegant. It's debonair or suave. A leader who influences his followers by his oratory skills. A leader who influences his followers by his oratory skills or speaking skills. That is demagogue. Demagogue. A man who is womanish in his habits. Womanish in habits. That is effeminate. Effeminate. A lover of oneself or one who is selfish is called egoist. Thus we have already discussed egoist. It's an antonym of altruist. Altruist is a lover of mankind and a lover of oneself or selfish man is egoist. One who talks of his achievements is an egotist. One who talks of his achievements, always talking about his achievements, is an egotist. So see the difference between an egoist and egotist. An egoist is a selfish man, a lover of oneself, who is thinking about himself only. He is egoist. But one who talks of his achievements is called egotist. So these are the one words for today. Revise all these once or twice. Now try to answer two model questions. The question is, select the one that can be substituted for the given words. First one who feeds on human flesh. Options: carnivorous, omnivorous, cannibal, herbivorous. Answer is cannibal. Option C. Carnivorous is one who feeds on animals, and that for plants, one who feeds on plants is herbivorous. And if it is both animals and plants, is omnivorous. One who feeds on both animals and plants is omnivorous. So cannibal is one who feeds on human flesh. Next is a lover of mankind. A lover of mankind. Options: egoist, misanthropist, egotist, altruist. We discussed it. A lover of mankind is altruist. Egoist is one who is very selfish, thinking about himself only. That is egoist. It's antonym of altruist. It's opposite. Egotist is who talks much about his achievements. That is egotist. A misanthropist is a hater of mankind. This is also its antonym, opposite. So here ends the session. If you liked, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for all notifications, and share with all English learners. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.